MENIoR is a one-year project that has received funding from the Horizon 2020 project hubcap and is run by three organizations, namely Draxis Environmental SA, HOPU Ubiquitous, and the Predictive company. The project aims to enable industrial employees better understand the environmental conditions in which they work and protect their well-being. To this end, MENIoR collects environmental data via a low-cost environmental monitoring network set up in industrial operations, and the measurements are then analyzed on the cloud. A web digital twin of the industry is provided to the industry admins to enable them visualize the collected data and assess scenarios for environmental improvement inside the industry, while employees are provided with data visualization through a mobile application in an augmented reality interface. MENIoR's environmental monitoring network setup consists of sensing devices developed by HOPU, which allow the monitoring of different environmental parameters such as temperature, humidity, and concentrations of air pollutants inside industrial operations. Each device is accompanied by a unique image, which allows the device to connect with MENIoR's augmented reality mobile application and feed the application with its measurements. In total, 9 sensing devices have been developed based on the needs of actual users, which were collected by the Predictive company on the early stages of the project. MENIoR's digital twin platform is developed by Draxis. Once the user logs into the platform using their unique ID credentials, the system opens up to a page displaying a map of the industry in real time, which includes all the available industrial machines and sensing devices. The user can choose whether they wish to see the real air quality or thermal comfort conditions inside the industry. By clicking on each sensing device, the latest measurements of this device are displayed, along with informative graphs on the historic data obtained. Health recommendations based on the air quality conditions are also provided. The user can then choose to create different environmental scenarios for the industries by altering several of the factors that influence the environmental conditions. In order to do this, the user needs to select the simulation mode of the platform. A new page appears on the screen displaying the digital twin map of the industry. On the left side of the page, the user can select the machines they wish to turn on or off, the ventilation mode, the number of people inside the industry, and the duration of the selected simulation. They can then choose whether they wish to see the simulated air quality or thermal comfort conditions inside the industry. MENIoR's augmented reality mobile application was also developed by Draxis. For better experience when using the application, the user should turn on the GPS of their device. The application showcases the air quality, thermal comfort, temperature, and humidity of the current location. The location is determined by the GPS sensor of the user's mobile phone, and according to this location, the measurements of the closest sensing device are presented. The user can access the augmented reality feature by pressing the AR screen button on the bottom of the screen. The AR screen page opens the camera of the user's mobile phone, and the user is able to point it to the image of the sensing device, and the estimation of the air quality index is displayed. MENIoR services are currently being pilot tested and validated by two Spanish industries, namely Fagesta SL, an industry in manufacturing and repairment of industrial machinery, and Lisenplast SL, an industry in extrusion of plastic profiles. After the end of the project, it is envisioned for the adoption of the MENIoR services by more industries that wish to improve their environmental conditions.